In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Teams meeting in Google Calendar. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone who uses both Microsoft Teams and Google Calendar for organizing meetings and events. By integrating these two platforms, you can streamline your workflow and ensure that all your meetings, appointments, and schedules are conveniently in one place. Let's dive right into the process. First, you're going to want to open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you've done that, look to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll see a plus button. This is the Get Add-ons button. Clicking this will allow you to browse a variety of tools that can enhance your Google Calendar experience. In the search bar that appears, type in Microsoft Teams Meeting. This will bring up the Microsoft Teams add-on that you need to install. Once you've located the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-on, the next step is to click on it to proceed with the installation. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account, so make sure you have your login details handy. This step is crucial as it connects your Microsoft Teams account with your Google Calendar, enabling seamless integration between these two platforms. After successfully signing in, you're ready to create a new event directly in Google Calendar. You can start by selecting a date and time for your meeting and giving it a title. As you fill out this information, you'll notice an option under Add Video Conferencing. Click on this and you'll see the choice to select Microsoft Teams Meeting. Choosing this option will automatically generate a Teams link that will be added to your event invite. This auto-generated link is a real time saver and ensures that all your meeting details are neatly packaged within the calendar invite. Finally, all that's left to do is click Save. This will save the event to your calendar, and you can choose to send out invitations to the participants you'd like to attend the meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a Teams meeting in Google Calendar. By following these steps, you integrate the power and flexibility of Google Calendar with the robust communication tools offered by Microsoft Teams, making your work life a bit easier and more organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!